Hi and welcome back, this is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today's manicure design was inspired by a beautiful scarf that my friend Daly shared on her channel. It's Coco Miel Y Brillo. I'll leave a link to her Dollar Tree haul in the description box of this video. As a base, I have chosen the Sinful Colors nail polish called Snow Me White. I'll be using the Born Pretty Plate BP-L076 and my Green Beauty Big Bang stamping polish. This is number 3. I want to try to do a double stamping, so I'll apply this Sinful Colors Sinful Shine called Amazonian first. Then I stamp over it using the brighter shade of green. For the other two nails, I want to try to use this green polish from Revlon called In the Money. I clean up with a nail art brush dipped in acetone. And to give the manicure a matte finish, I use my Wet n Wild matte top coat. Once it dries, the manicure is complete. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!